Okay, so we're gonna talk about inverse function, and today we're not gonna do too much. We're gonna actually just discover them, because a lot of times you can discover your own thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna grab those two functions over here. So the first thing I want you to look for is this, the graph. They have some type of symmetry. Okay, let's review a little bit yesterday. What is the things in order to have an inverse?
Oh, wait, what?
In order to have inverse, you must have three things.
I think the one.
Oh, unique. M.
Yeah, monotonic. Good. Monotonic.
One-on-one.
One-on-one. What?
Vertical length.
Not vertical line test.
Horizontal line test.
Inverse is a horizontal line test. So we're gonna look at this question, see if they pass horizontal line test here. So we're gonna look at here. Sorry.
Oh.
I dare you to answer it. I'll throw it at the window so far.
Yeah, I will love
You're gonna have to cut this part off now.
Okay.
Can we throw it?
What does this say?
Right? Are we allowed to throw it
Are
forward?
we allowed to throw it?
No, he hasn't used it. He hasn't used
We're
it.
talking about silence.
Hey, throw it. Throw it.
Can we?
Come on.
Do it again.
Touch the phone.
Yeah, why not?
We're actually gonna do it now?
Online.
It's gonna ring too.
Can I like record this too?
No, because you can't have your phone now.
Please.
Unless you want to put your phone inside.
Hey, you wanna put it together? You can record the iPad.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Oh my God, hold on.
There we go.
Sticky cake. Come on.
Lenny, it's not that difficult.
No phones.
You know what?
No iPad.
Don't toss it.
I'm not.
I mean,
I'm just like.
Throw it to the other
Throw
building.
it. Chuck it.
You have to
Chug and
retitle
plug
the
it.
video for clickbait.
Oh wow.
Damn.
Going wrong. Going for oh god.
Are you okay?
You see it?
No.
Yeah.
No, dude.
Yeah.
Someone's gonna break your phone like this.
I know, right?
I'm
Is he a
mad.
center or no?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Imagine watching the video, you see him pop up, spinning the thing.
Okay, so that's what happened in my classroom. Which that's my phone, by the way. Lenny, you better watch out for your phone. I'm gonna get you.
I'm thinking I'm in another class.
I'm gonna get you. Okay, so put your guys' computer away, Michael.
I'm beating my high school.
I'm in high school.
What a fucking guy.
At least he's honest.
Remember when we had 10 minutes weird ever?
Alright, so if you look at it, there's a symmetry between two graphs. I'm going to show you one graph first. I'm going to show you this graph here. So this is the graph without the inverse. This is the original graph. Okay? And then we're going to put in the new graph, which is this one. And we're going to have some type of points here. And then we're going to see some type of symmetry. What do they have symmetry? Symmetry is like a mirror image. Where do they mirror at? Where?
2. Like 2 and -2. And then the other one has +2 and -2.
Okay, so you see the value. Okay,
Oh,
what
you're
else?
asking like the quadrants?
No, but we're going to see where the symmetry at. Yes, Nicole? 2x is pretty close. It's pretty close. 2x, I'm going to grab in 2x and I'll just show you. 2x is going to look like this. They almost have a symmetry of 2x, but instead of 2x is what?
1x?
Just 1x. Because that's what I had before. So now, on the easy question on the test part, like you have to be able to get it right, is that you have to be able to tell me what happened with original function and the inverse function. What do they have a relationship in terms of graph? The graph is going to have symmetry to y equal to x. There's the green dots right here. Okay, now y equal to x, that's what the symmetry is.
What, 1?
Y equal to x.
Okay, yeah, wait.
That's
One
what,
X.
like, they're basically like geometry terms. They reflect, alright?
Yeah, reflect or mirror image. So you see this blue line is mirror to the red line, and this is the red line is mirror to the blue line. And they all have same equal distance. So if you take the line here, then you have same distance from here to here, from here to here. But not only that though. If you're gonna look at here, we're gonna say, okay, we obviously have some type of value here. So we're gonna go back up. We're gonna say, hey, we're gonna build a table. And we're gonna build a table here. And this is another table here. So this table is really bad, so I'm gonna construct a new table. Okay, so for you, you're gonna see here, it's an f of x. Let's scroll it down just a tiny bit. Okay.
Actually going to Marcus for once. Why not tell me about this?
Okay, so if you look at here, right, that is the original function, and this is the table for original functions. Okay, but let's look at the table for the inverse function. What do they have in common? Hold on. Okay, go ahead. So here, if I were to enter the value of 2 here, what do you think the y value on the inverse function is going to be? So if I were to enter there as a 2, what do you think the inverse is going to be?
-2? Wait.
2. If I enter 2 right here, Jing, can you type in the 2 here?
Come on, man, do it.
0.5.
291. Does you see that coordinate, right? It's switch. 1, -2 and 1, and then here is 2 and -1. Okay, go to the next one. Going to enter the next column here. Go to bottom. Go to 2. You already did 2, right? So
Positive one.
positive 1. It's gonna give you -2. See, the value is swapped comparatively. So the two things you need to know is this. One is they have symmetry to y equal to x. I have my emulation here. I am for your head.
2 is equal to 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Throwing markers.
So, so what happened is I have to stay at the camera and I throw it. So there's no digital proof. There'll be a lawsuit right there. Look at this friend. He threw a marker at a student.
Why would he just see us do
And then we turn the iPad towards you.
that?
Okay, so the value is swap complete. So 2 things you need to learn today. Just swap the value. Okay. You gonna pick up my phone?
I can go pick it up.
Please.
Building, so
That's on.
see from higher.
Be sure to like and subscribe down below.
So you want me to start it now?
Yeah, stop it, stop it.
Uh,
So it was weird.
Yeah. You can start it like.
How do you stack it?
See you guys. Wait. Oh, wait. Yeah. There we go. End it.
Make sure